Hi everybody, it's Kevin Prifical here from the Paul Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram pickup truck in beautiful Piqua, Ohio. Today we have featured a 2018 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon Edition, stock number 28587T. (2018) Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon. This vehicle will take you anywhere you want to go. And back again. This has leather. This also has, I'm going to go over here and cheat a little bit and look at the window sticker here. I know it's kind of hard to see. You can view this window sticker on our website, which is sherrychrysler.com. And under the pictures, hit view window sticker. You can actually just like being here. This is featured in bright white. This of course has the 8-speed automatic. This has a 2-liter turbo eTorque engine. This also has the remote proximity sensor, keyless entry. That's what you see, these little buttons right here. All you have to do is keep the little box, the key box that comes with the vehicle in your pocket or purse. Grab the handle, it knows it's you, it unlocks. Or you can push a button to lock it. This also has, again, the leather, body color fender flares, the Alpine premium audio system. This also has a cold weather package, which gives you remote start, heated front seats, and a heated steering wheel. Boy, these are fun to drive. And of course, you can still take off the doors, lay the windshield down, the top comes off. These are fun to drive winter, spring, summer, or fall. Then you've got the tow package, which gives you all the wiring up under here. I'll get down here and you can see the wiring. You've got 4-pin, you also got 7-pin, so you can tow from day one. This all opens up. These vehicles are fun no matter young or old. People love these Jeep Wranglers. Being this also has a tow package, you'll also get auxiliary buttons also, so if you want to ever add other accessories you can. This also has that new start-stop technology. Here's your front rear sway bar disconnect. Sway for your sway bar right here, and also your track lock 4-wheel drive. All your Bluetooth controls. Just a fun vehicle. Again, stock number 28587T. A bright white 2018 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon. Could be all yours. If you come on down. If you have any questions on this beautiful Jeep or any beautiful vehicle you've seen on the lot or on the internet, please do not hesitate to give us a call at 1-800-678-4188. Again, my name is Kevin Prifical from the Paul Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram pickup truck. As always, thanks for the opportunity. Have a beautiful day.